Hello and welcome. Now today, I'm going to be changing the water temperature sensor in this 2004 Pontiac Vibe behind me. Now it's worked the same as the Toyota Matrix. This is the one I'm using, if you can read those little numbers right there, if it focuses. Yep, hopefully that gets you what you need. So, let's get to work. Now for the sensor, we need some room. So I'm going to take a 10mm and remove their intake tube out of my way so I have some space to work with. Now, going through this cobbled up mess of everything over here, you'll see, focus, right there is the plug-in. Here's a harness for it, and there's a plug-in. So I'm going to try to reach my hand in there. Unplug the sensor. Pretty simple, push down, pull, and we should see the end of it. You can move this hose out of your way right here if you want to. You don't have to, but if you need more room to see or do, just simple, if it doesn't want to move out of your way. See, there it is. Right between the heater hose and the hose from the radiator. It's right there, now unplugged. Now we're going to take a 19mm deep well socket and loosen it off. Now here's something to look for real quick before doing this that I just found out. So here's my replacement one. I was having trouble getting the socket over it and not getting on it. I go sit my socket in. I'm not really all the way down in it. So this thing has a little lip in there, and that's what stopped it, because of plastic. I got a different one and it's all the way around. So keep that in mind, otherwise you may have to use a boxed in wrench. Yep, that was it, and really easy to turn. I broke it loose. I'm just going to slide that socket back over there and take it off by hand. Now the old one had this little copper seal around it, which I'm actually gonna put on this one because it didn't come with one. So now all I gotta do is go back in, thread it in. Just on a note though, do be careful with the plastic housing. You don't want to damage that where the harness plugs in, because what can happen if you damage it and it doesn't connect very well, it could come off going down the road and you'll start having some issues. It don't have to be real tight. Remember, it didn't take much to take it off. You don't want to strip out that aluminum. Now I'm just going to take my harness right here and simply just plug it back in. If you took off this hose, put it back on. And then reinstall your air intake tube and tighten it back down. Alright, there it is. The coolant and temperature sensor is changed. It seems like it's going to be hard because of location. I fully understand, because it looks to be a pain, but a couple things out of the way, it's pretty easy to do. I hope this information proved helpful. As always, thanks for watching.